Have you ever wondered how the electricity that powers your life gets to you? It's all thanks to the incredible complexity of the electrical grid. In this video, we'll break down the electrical grid, explaining how power is generated, transmitted, and distributed to meet our daily needs. The electrical grid is essentially a massive, interconnected network of power generation sources, transmission lines, and distribution systems. The grid operates in four main stages: power generation, transmission, distribution, and delivery to the end user. It all starts with power generation, where raw energy is converted into usable electricity. Electricity is produced from diverse sources, including fossil fuels like coal and natural gas, as well as renewable sources such as wind, solar, and hydropower. Most power plants generate electricity using generators that convert rotational energy into alternating current, or AC, which is the standard used for the grid. Once generated, the electricity must be moved from the power plants to where it's needed. This is the transmission stage. To minimize energy loss over long distances, the voltage is significantly increased using transformers before it enters the main transmission lines. These high-voltage transmission lines, often suspended from massive steel towers, carry large amounts of power across vast geographic areas. The distribution stage is the final leg of the journey, bringing power from the transmission system into local communities. At substations, transformers reduce the extremely high transmission voltage to a lower, more manageable level suitable for local distribution networks. From the substations, distribution lines branch out, delivering power through neighborhoods to businesses, schools, and homes. The final connection is made at your home or office, where the electricity is converted to the standard voltage required for your appliances and devices. This is the moment when the electricity, generated far away, finally lights up your room or charges your phone. A crucial, continuous challenge is ensuring that electricity supply perfectly matches demand across the entire grid, a complex task managed in real time. The electrical grid is a monumental feat of engineering, constantly working behind the scenes to power our modern lives. From generation to distribution, this intricate system ensures a reliable flow of energy, though its complexity requires constant monitoring and maintenance. If you found this explanation useful, please like and subscribe for more deep dives into the infrastructure that keeps the world running.